welcome to Crewe. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used Ibiza in our stock. This is the Ibiza 5-door FR technology, 1.2 TSI, and it's a 5-speed manual vehicle. Comes in the non-metallic paint, solid colour emulsion red, with the black contrast alloys and side mirrors. Comes with the black exterior colour pack and comes with the exclusive front and rear FR bumpers and LED daytime running lights. We've got the 17-inch black Tagus alloy wheels, just there, and it just looks really cool. Got the twin exhaust pipe on the back and the FR detailing again, and in the boot we have got the floor mats and quite a lot of space. In the back we've got the 3 seats with the FR panelling detailing on the seats, a nice amount of legroom. So we've got the dashboard display and the black leather FR flat base steering wheel with the red bespoke trim. We've got the gear stick and handbrake also, and again in the front matching with the FR detailing on the panel of the seats with the red bespoke FR trim. This vehicle has a nice amount of room. It's quite one of our smaller models, but it is a lovely vehicle to drive. Got the DAB radio and also a few other extra features here, including full link, navigation and a few other features. This would be an ideal first car for a new town driver, or if you're looking to downsize to something a little bit smaller. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop down to Crewe to speak with a member of our team, or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.